I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to convert Excel to Word. First, open your Excel spreadsheet and select the data range you wish to transfer. Copy the selected cells using Ctrl+C or the Copy button. Next, open your Word document where you want to place the data. You'll then explore various paste options to best suit your needs, ensuring your information looks exactly as intended. When pasting into Word, the simplest method is a direct paste. However, for more control, use Paste Special. This option allows you to choose how the data appears. You can keep the original Excel formatting, ensuring your tables and numbers, like a $15,000 budget, look identical. Alternatively, match the destination formatting to integrate the data seamlessly with your Word document's existing style. For dynamic data, consider embedding or linking your Excel content. Embedding creates an editable Excel object within Word, perfect for minor adjustments without leaving your document. Linking, on the other hand, maintains a connection to the original Excel file. If the source data, perhaps a 25% sales increase, updates, your Word document will reflect those changes automatically, saving you time and effort. For static data, converting your Excel table to an image can be ideal, especially if you don't need to edit it in Word. This ensures the layout remains exactly as you designed it. Always remember to save your Word document regularly to protect your work. Before you go, check the description for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you master Excel to Word conversions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.